Hey, thanks for watching Cooking with the Robinsons. What are we making today, Sherilyn?
We're making roasted lemon, garlic, and herb chicken.
Hard to say, but very easy to make. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. Okay, so we're gonna start this roasted lemon chicken out with lemons, right?
That's right.
One lemon, we'll cut it into 1/4 inch slices, and then we'll cut the onion at roughly the same size, and that's gonna be the base of our dish.
Okay. Next, we're gonna thinly slice 3 cloves of garlic.
And there's nothing wrong with adding a few more of those cloves of garlic if you want to. We'll chop up some thyme, and then we'll do what's called spatchcocking our chicken, or you're cutting out the backbone. Some people call it butterflying a chicken.
And one of the main benefits of doing this is you just get a really good, even cook.
That's right. You also want to pat your chicken dry inside and out. I did a little cut there at the top of the breastbone, turn it over, and flatten out my chicken.
Next, we're gonna coat that chicken with some olive oil, and we're gonna add our new seasoning called the koi, which is actually named after Sean's grandma.
That's right. It's like a zesty garlic and herb. And it reminds me of some food that my grandma used to cook for all of us.
Now, if you're interested in purchasing some for yourself, we'll go ahead and drop a link down below. And as always, look below for all the measurements and all the ingredients.
And you'll want to season that liberally both on the top and the bottom of that chicken. And I also put some seasoning down below on the lemon and onions I'm putting beneath this chicken. Now once you've placed the lemons and the onions in the pan, on top of that we're going to put that sliced garlic and also some thyme.
And oh my goodness, this house is gonna smell delicious.
No doubt about it.
Now we just put that chicken on top of all that deliciousness and place it in your preheated oven at 450 degrees for 30 minutes.
Now after that 30 minutes is up, you're going to take it out of the oven, and it's not done cooking yet. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of butter into the bottom of this pan along with a 1/2 cup of unsalted chicken stock. And that's just going to meld all those flavors together, the onion and the lemon, and you put that back into the oven until this chicken reaches 165 degrees, and we're ready to eat.
Look how beautiful that skin is, and crispy.
And it tastes just as good.
Now, if you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe. We'd love for you to be a part of the family.
Thanks, guys.